Welcome to my YouTube channel, In and Rowdy. Today's the day. Today's the day. Today is the day. I got so excited I done worked up a sweat. Let me get something to drink for myself. Then worked up a sweat. Let me get some vitamin water. Today is the day. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Took a couple weeks, but today is the day that this is here. Yeah, it's here. And I got excited and I pre-opened everything to make sure it was there because, you know, it was delivered by UPS. But today's the day. I say it again. Now let's see what we got up in here. Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Okay. Airlift. This is the front application. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Doing this with one hand, guys. Sorry. Yeah, one hand. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. 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 Can't wait to put that on. So, not gonna open them both. It's both the same. We got some stainless steel lines. What we got? I'll fix that later. We got here. We got the rear. This is the rear kit. It's gonna be the same as the front. I don't really need to go too in depth about that. But this is the rear. This is the shocks. More hardware. Everything is in here. I'm assuming that that's the polished tank. And what we got here? Oh, this is the bread and butter right here. I think this is the nucleus. Oh, look at this. You guys see this? Doing this with one hand. One hand, man. Get this shit out the way. Oh, look at that. That's 3P. Oh, man. Slide that out to the side. I should get an award for this. It's one hand, man. Slide that out right there. Okay, let's see what we got in here. I'm guessing that this is the remote right here. Comes in the Airlift box. Yeah, I'm guessing that this is the remote. This shit just will not stay open. Yeah, that's the remote. The remote. The nucleus to the whole thing. That's the remote. Put that to the side. I think that goes in the back. I don't know too much about every single part about it. I just know that the end result is greatness. Don't know what that is. I think that's where the connections go into. That's what I assume that is. What else is in here? More shit. Okay, yeah, this is the compressor. I got one compressor. The funny thing is, I got one compressor, but I think later on I'm going to do two for two reasons. One reason, it can load my tank up faster. And the second reason is if one breaks, I have another one and I can still operate it while I get a replacement. So, I mean, I have one right now. Later on down the line, I'll add another one. And I don't think that'll be such a big problem. But I think probably at the same time I might upgrade to the 3H with the height sensors. The 3P is great. Everybody that I know that has it, they have nothing to complain about. But I think I'm going to go to the 3H. Why not? While I'm getting that compressor installed, I just upgrade to the 3H. And that's whatever. I'll get down to that. But, yeah, so I got the compressor there. I think I know for sure down here is more hardware. And then this is I know for sure that this is the 5-gallon tank. I went with a 5-gallon tank. And I have a B7S4, so I think 5-gallon is pretty good for this car. Hold on, let me see if I could put this down so I can take care of this. Okay. Alright. Get a little bit of a little polished. It's a polished tank, 5 gallons, pretty big. It's gonna take forever to fill up with that one compressor, so I definitely have to get that second compressor. Yeah, but I have everything, you know. I'm just excited. I can't wait to put this stuff on, and you know, it's gonna be great. Right now, I'm on B6 coilovers. BC coilovers, and you know, it's just rough. I love the coilovers. There's nothing wrong with the coilovers, in my opinion. I think they're great. The adjustability is great. The comfort, the ride quality is great. But here in New York, our roads are just vicious, and you need that adjustability of air suspension. You need this. You need this for a fact. You know, to get around, there's certain places I can't go, there's certain routes I can't take right now. I need this air suspension bad, just to be comfortable and not, you know, have to worry about, oh, I can't go eat here because, you know, I can't get over a speed bump. You know, so now with this is going to change everything. Gonna make my ride more comfortable. It's great. But stay tuned. I'm gonna probably have this installed, or probably drop this off to install tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. This video should go up Monday. Tuesday my car should be dropped off. I'm gonna vlog that as well. My buddy in his RX-7 is coming to take me out there to drop my car off, and we're gonna come back together. So I'm gonna get some footage of RX-7, and it's gonna be great. So just stay tuned, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.